Remember last week when I thought I was getting sick? It was allergies. Turns out I'm allergic to bullshit. I've been tasked with writing a bio again. I don't know what to write. I don't know anything about myself. Like, what would you say I've done for 30 years of my life? How would you encapsulate that within a single paragraph? Seriously, could you write a bio for me? Could you tell the world who I am in a paragraph? The number one reason to have a dog, in the middle of winter especially, is for warming your hands. Oh, Rocky, you are so warm. I mean, I have you on my lap because I love you as well, but I'm saying it's a nice bonus to have you as a hand warmer. You're kind of like a Swiss Army dog. I don't know if I've ever dropped a phone more than I've dropped this one, and the screen has held up despite not having a screen protector. I've got a case on it, and I think that's certainly mitigated a lot of the potential damage. The irony is that you couldn't see the screen because I was using the other lens. Oh, if I use the front-facing camera, maybe it'll work. Okay, let me try that again. I have dropped this phone so many times. Oh, look at that! You can't see a crack, and it's nothing but Chris Pirillo all the way down. Aha! Woo! I wonder how close I can zoom in and still see me. To me, it doesn't matter how many people are watching. It's comments like these that keep me going. Thank you for letting me be a part of your lives. You're in my spot. Yeah, you're gonna move. That's right. Wait, no, move away from my spot. That's my spot. The all four lights. No, actually, there's just one. It beams the time onto the ceiling. How's that for tech that works for people who can't see without prescription lenses in the middle of the night when it's dark? Unclench your jaw and relax your shoulders right now, which you may have already been doing, but it's something that I need to be reminded of frequently. I wish I had somebody to tell me to unclench my jaw and relax my shoulders throughout the day. Rocket, do you think you could handle that? Guess what finally came in? My prescription smart glasses! So now I get to test them. I'll have to wear them and tell you what I think next week. These are definitely going to be fun. They make me smarter, right? Do I look smarter? You ready for your hunt today?
Yeah.
You gonna get all the good vegan treats to give to me? Then you can have the non-vegan treats? What do you mean no? I don't know where they're going to be hiding the eggs. In a field possibly, so if something looks like chocolate, it probably isn't, unless it's wrapped inside, I would assume, a colorful egg or a wrapper. A wrapper as in, like, you know, some kind of material, not like a wrapper.
Foil?
Yeah, foil would be
a
an
wrapper.
Example. Yeah, but
so
not
it's
like
inside a wrapper.
MC Hammer kind of wrapper. That's definitely not the kind of wrapper I was talking about.
Oh, like M&M.
Well, there may be M&Ms. You could have those.
No, like M&M.
Yeah,
the wrapper.
M&Ms. Yeah,
so then
M&Ms in a wrapper.
So then he could poop it out so then I could eat it.
Yes, M&Ms are probably pooped out of some kind of candy machine.
M&M, the
yes,
wrapper.
Yes, there's M&Ms that come in a wrapper.
No, M&M is a wrapper.
Yes, they come in a wrapper.
No, M&M is a wrapper.
No, M&M isn't a wrapper. M&M is a piece of candy inside a
he
wrapper.
sings.
Oh my god. Again, I've never seen the M&Ms sing. Ever. Oh.
Yeah, I was like, he looks familiar.
Hey, I have no food.
Do you want me to close it?
Green flames.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I don't know how you make green flames. Wow.
Panda.
Are you going to share the Sour Patch Kids with me?
Maybe.
Ooh.
Oreo cakesters. Tootsie Rolls. $5.
Whoa. Rocket spotted 2 rabbits on this walk alone. I wonder if one of them was the actual Easter Bunny. If you catch the Easter Bunny tonight, there'll be an extra puppuccino for you. So think about it, because those cost free. Biff heads. Roly-poly Biff heads. We've got a full deck over at live.pirillo.com, 24/7 streaming on Twitch, sponsored by StreamYard. Maker Deck also ebbs and flows throughout the day. much like Community does. It's a banana inside a fruit roll-up. I don't know, Rocket. I didn't tell her to do it. What do you think? I'm going with the classic fudgicle. This is new. Originally, it retailed for $100. No way I was going to spend that. So, got this for $20. Brand new in box. Very easy setup. A lot of playability. It's toyetic, as they used to say. Look at that. So, I don't know if we have all of the Young Jedi Adventures toys, but we have the big ones.
I threw the banana away. They're having a meeting about the Rebel Alliance, and Darth Vader and the Stormtrooper are out.
Does the cheese stand alone?
What's the cheese? These are all the filaments, well, some of the filaments that he has.
It appears as though I'm sustaining temporary injuries. I've been pushing these torsos onto legs for Figrin Dan and the modal nodes. Sometimes with projects, you gotta go the extra mile to get it done. Don't be afraid. Unless, of course, you don't know how long a mile is. Don't be afraid to go the extra kilometer. Ignore all the dust that I've got collecting on the Darth Vader PS4 and receiver there, and I guess the photo holder. Don't have a lot of photos here, but I do have these 2 photos of Jedi, possibly more coming in. 3D printed, practically, they call these things practical prints, photo stands, specifically for these types of photos. So, 3D printing isn't just for Star Wars stuff. Perfect! This is the next thing that's been annoying me. No, not the Imperial coasters. No, not the Millennium Falcon charging pad for wireless devices. No, not the latest Dark Droids comic compendium. Do they call that a compendium? Where they collect all the issues into one graphic novel? I guess I could say graphic novel. No, this Samsung Watch charging disc. It just hangs out there. So what I'm going to do is, or I'm in the process of doing, the Stay Puffed Marshmallow Baby's watching. Get it? Because, I haven't really told you what I'm printing. I screwed up. What else is new? I dropped an olive and it rolled off of the countertop and underneath the refrigerator. So I created a makeshift grabber, and look at this. I have rescued the olive from underneath the refrigerator. I am not going to eat that, by the way. Did you guess correctly? Perfect. I don't know how the hell I got to be so handy today. Usually that doesn't happen. I'm going to reward myself by having a $3 Impossible Whopper because it's Whopper Wednesday. We all celebrate, I assume, unless it's against your religion. Ooh, I found some tech for everybody thrifting. I don't know if I'll buy it, but there's a Stormtrooper vacuum. Neat. Sometimes you get lucky when you thrift. Got this poly bag with a Lego minifigure and a dog for about $3. It's pretty good with the going rate of Lego bricks these days. I've told people to wait until Lego sets go on sale, like up to 40 or 50% off, which happens semi-annually. You got to keep your eye out for the sales, and I do. Stable Audio has released a utility that runs in browser. You give it a prompt, and it will generate music. So I gave it a prompt, and I said I wanted Toy Box, upbeat, quirky, and this is what it came up with. You ready for this, Rocket? that was satanic. Happy Easter.
Wow. The chocolate and whoa, Pop-Tarts. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I love that. Oh my gosh, it's a Dippin' Dot ice cream, sweet soda 10-color pack, and M&M's. I love it. Wow.
Can you eat the slime?
No.
Carrot Patch Pete. Sugar sticks.
And Dad,
Cookie sprinkle.
you gonna have all of the Sour Patch Kids?
Oops.
That was Rocket.
Was it? Because Rocket's in the front room. Double crisp eggs.
Your money?
I don't think so. I don't know. It's how the Easter Bunny works.
So
Mysterious ways.
Does this look so soft?
Wow.
It doesn't.
Yeah? She looks like you. I'm going to eat some of these. You have plenty of them. Finally, vegan eggs. That's MJ. She was also on sale, apparently. You like MJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, from Spider-Man. Got a extra cute.
Extra.
Okay, that's cool. It lights up. That's neat. And then, oh man, it's an endless pit. Oh, I need more of these. Candy and coffee do not mix. Can I have your sweetest fish? I'm grateful I found this on sale yesterday for 99 cents so we can have ice cream for breakfast. I'm guessing that most people would not be able to tell the difference between dairy and non-dairy ice cream.
Unless they looked at the ingredients.
Exactly. Which I always do. Oh, I might do the same thing. That's what happens when you spill your Reese's Pieces everywhere. No, that's okay. Little dust won't hurt you. Oh, here goes one. It's escaping. Hopefully this isn't dragon. I get it, because it's a dragon, and the video could be dragon. We just passed Easter and still have Valentine's towels hanging up on the stove. I've been finding it very difficult to be motivated to change anything. Not because I can't or shouldn't, just looking past details I previously would not have looked past. How do you get motivation when you're feeling unmotivated? Curious. Oh, really? It's that easy? Let me try. Nope, still unmotivated. I think I've got $1 million idea, Rocket. Coffee that does not stain your bottom lip. Huh? All I need to do is invent it. Where are you going? Aren't you going to help? Fine. I think a big part of my attitude today was a dream that I had last night. I mean, in life we have dreams for ourselves, and usually those dreams are positive. But when you dream something about yourself, or at least an experience that you had or could feasibly have, and it's negative, that impacts you. Because it's a dream that would never be a dream of yours. And I realize I'm probably sounding very meta right now. But that really, that hit me hard. It's difficult to process what I saw in my mind's eye and try to interpret what it means. I don't know. Is dream interpretation hokey? I just have to keep telling myself that this dream isn't real and that dreams do come true. Which is it? I've had so many dreams in my life that I've been forced to give up on. But then again, I've also had dreams that have become reality. I need a new dream. I'm in between dreams, not just, physically, but spiritually as well. Oh, damn that tire on this car. I blame myself for turning in this way. Well, at least a bit of patience paid off. I got this Easter Grogu for 50% off. Nice and stuffy, like my nose. Ooh, a Star Wars bocce ball set. Nice. Finally, I have something to lean my phone up against. I'm trying a new toboggan, which is not exactly new. It's old. It's Darth Vader. I like the Sith Eternal logo toboggan a little more, but I don't really have much of a choice because my ears are still cold outside. So I'm wearing this, a collectible. Isn't it all collectible? It's just that some collectibles you can also use. They say good things come to those who wait, and it looks like I'm going to have to wait until Big Bricks produces an updated version of the helmet that allows me to snap in the T-piece. I have mostly completed the Boba Fett minifigure, Maxi Fig, 3D printed it, and now I have to wait. The black decaf tastes like cigarette ashes. I've been watching you since maybe 2010. Over the years, you've given me what feels like a second home with your videos. Please never stop being yourself and teaching others it's okay to always do the same. From Christian. And I'm not sure how to say the last name, so I'm not going to say the last name. I don't know what's in the package either. I may have to set the camera down to get in there. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to do that. Stormtrooper, can you help? Thank you. Oh, I'm setting it in front of Adorables box, which also came from Christian. What's this? Could it be Star Wars? That's just a guess. Oh, I literally just added this to my wish list like 2 or 3 days ago. It's a floating Stormtrooper glass, so like a shot glass of sorts. Like you could even put hot liquid in there, including espresso. So this may be a new espresso cup, glass, container that I'm going to be using. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a floating head. It floats. It floats. Oh, that is so cool. Ah, thank you so much. Oh, you're helping make this more of a home than it was before. Thank you. Being reminded like this that what I do still matters to some of you means a lot. Are you sure it's an M? Let's see here. Yeah, M, Meeples. I've been making these crates, these little containers in various colors. Jedi wanted a pink one, so she's getting a pink one, and she's going to open the Adorables here. I know which one you got.
Which one?
The one that you got. I also started printing the Bosk figure, which I'm very excited about. I think the colors are turning out well. Oh, and Darth Maul, this one right here, was done pretty much overnight, within like 12 hours or so.
12 hours?
Yeah, it didn't take long at all.
Dang it.
What do you mean, dang it? It's Princess Leia!
Oh! Oh my gosh, I thought it was Luke Skywalker.
No, how could you say dang it? It's the one with the snowman in the back.
Oh,
That's Princess Leia.
I got confused.
Yeah, I could read the code on the box, so I knew which one it was. Just so you know, the shelves are not snack bars, Rocket, okay?
Can I keep it?
Yeah, you can keep it. It's yours. Excuse me.